at the Bakery Cafe. Hi, welcome in. Would you like a table or are you looking for something to go?
Hi, actually, I'll sit in today. I'm not in a rush this morning.
Great. Right this way. There's a nice spot by the window if you'd like.
That sounds perfect. Thank you.
Here's your menu. Take your time and let me know when you're ready to order.
Actually, I'm ready now. Could I get a cappuccino and one of your almond croissants?
Sure. Would you like the croissant warmed up?
Yes, please. That would be lovely.
No problem. Coming right up. Is this your first time visiting us?
Actually, yes. A friend recommended this place to me, said the pastries here were amazing.
That's great to hear. We bake everything fresh here every morning, so you're in for a treat.
I can already smell it, honestly. It smells incredible in here.
That's usually the reaction we get from first-time visitors. I'll bring your order out shortly.
Thank you so much. I'm looking forward to it.
Here's your cappuccino and your almond croissant, freshly warmed as requested.
This looks amazing. Thank you. Wow, this cappuccino has such a nice foam on top.
Thank you. Our barista takes a lot of pride in the presentation. Glad you noticed.
It really shows, honestly. This croissant is incredible too. The almond filling is perfect.
I'm so glad you're enjoying it. That's actually one of our most popular items here.
I can definitely see why. I might have to try a few other things next time I visit.
We'd love to have you back. We rotate a few seasonal items throughout the year as well.
That's exciting. I'll definitely keep an eye out for those next time.
Sounds great. Let me know if you need anything else while you're here.
Actually, could I get a small glass of water as well?
Of course. I'll bring that right out for you.
Thank you so much. This has honestly been such a lovely visit already.
We're really glad to hear that. Please come back and visit us again soon.